enough to hang meat in here.
Well, close the door, Cinderella, duh.
Okay, now listen and listen good. We have exactly 1 week until the ball, and I do not intend to waste this opportunity. You girls will be the loveliest, most well-spoken, most vivacious maidens at that ball if it's the last thing that I do. Am I understood?
Yes, Mother.
Good. Just imagine, the prince asking for my daughter's hand in marriage.
Which daughter's that, I wonder? I'm younger and more appealing. The oldest marries first? That's an old wives' tale. Why do you think there are so many old wives running around?
Girls, don't start.
Mother! Cinderella simply refuses to close that door.
Oh, but I just... hold your tongue and do as you are told. Now, for once and for all, close the door.
Have you ever seen a lazier girl in your life? Who you calling lazy? You want a piece of me? You're so stupid! You're so fat!
Enough! Girls! Sit. We need to have a talk. Not you. I want to talk to my real daughters. You tend the fire and service some tea.
Yes, stepmother. I won't crumpet my tea like I don't. Crumpet Cinderella. Coming right up.
Now, girls, it is absolutely imperative that you make a proper impression upon the prince. You know, I will not be around forever to care for you.
Why not? Yeah, where are you going?
What I mean to say is that I do not intend to spend the rest of my life slaving away in this house. Cinderella, the tea! I have devoted my entire life to your comfort and to your well-being. Is it too much to ask that I spend my golden years in a cabin by the sea?
And leave us here alone?
Not alone, with husbands! It requires a certain amount of income to maintain our lifestyle. The funds your stepfather left will not last forever, and money simply does not grow on trees.
I know that. It comes from the bank.
And how do you suppose it gets to the bank?
Well, the banker goes and gets it from, well, wherever it does grow. It's certainly not on trees.
Money doesn't grow anywhere. It is inherited. Which is precisely why I am bound and determined to see both of you married before the year is out. If not, then it's back to the butcher and Master Boxhorn for the both of you. Am I understood?
Yes, Mother.
Good. Just imagine me, the mother of a princess. Oh, yes, thank you. Oh, yes, you may dance with me too. But not you, off with your head. Enough excitement for one night, girls. You need your beauty sleep.
Here you go.
Cinderella, not now. We are about to nap. But serve us dinner when you wake.
Bake the bread, pouch the pears,
And Cinderella, close the door.
Alone at last. It's all right, you can come out now. But shh, quiet, they're resting. Charlie, will you be joining us? I have a surprise for you. Oh, come on in. Oh, yes, for you too. Oh. Good morning. Oh, there you are. So how was your day? Same old, same old? Yeah, me too. Cinderella, the packages. Cinderella, the tea. Cinderella, the door. How can 3 grown women be so helpless? I guess that's what I get for letting them walk all over me. I'm as mild and as meek as a mouse. Oh, no offense. When I I'm a thief in Calcutta, I'm a queen in Peru, I'm a mermaid dancing upon the sea. I'm a huntress on an African safari. It's a dangerous kind of sport and yet it's fun. In the night I sally forth to seek my quarry, and I find I forgot to bring my gun. I am lost in the jungle, all alone and unarmed, when I meet a lioness in her lair. Then I'm glad to be back in my own little corner, all alone in my own little chair. Oh, you want me to read it to you? All right. Every eligible young maiden in the kingdom is hereby introduction of Prince. Oh, okay. Every eligible young maiden. Why, that's me. I'm going to the ball. I am in the royal palace of all places. I am chatting with the prince, the king, and queen. And the color of my two stepsisters' faces is a queer sort of sour apple green. Oh, but wait, I don't have anything to wear. Why are you? Of course. The dress Mother wore the night she met Father. He said she was the most beautiful girl he'd ever seen. Oh, it's wonderful. I'll have to take up the hem a little bit and maybe a blue sash. Oh, it's perfect.